interview, and interview is based on the topic which I have covered. Okay, so there is nothing more than what I have covered, but just wanted to understand how in depth you are understanding, because we as a trainer ask each time either you have understood or not. You people say yes, understood, but I want to formally test now either you have really understood or not. I know you people may not have time, or there may be many problems, you may not have practice. However, consistently I want to conduct the many mock interviews. Okay, so once I finish each topic, I'll be conducting the mock interview. So this is your first mock interviews which I'm going to conduct. So passing score will be 80%. If question is asked like 10 questions, you should be able to answer at least 8 questions. That is the expectation. Okay, and just a minute. So okay, so right now I have I thought even Neelam, sorry, Sadia will also join, but she not joined. Swati will not join because she had told me 2-3 days ago only there is some problem. So total 4 topic is there, and you have to choose the number. Okay, based on this number, your topic will be decided. Okay, based on this topic, your number will be decided. So now you tell me. So Neelam, which topic you want to choose? Which number you want to choose? Tell me out of this. Neelam, tell me which number one you want to choose in this. Hello, Neelam, can you hear me? Hello, Neelam, can you hear me? Oh, you can't hear me. Then how can you reply if you are not able to hear? Hello, Neelam, can you hear me? Jitish and other people, are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So Neelam, you please rejoin. Okay, I'm removing you from the call. Please rejoin. Okay. Now, Jitish, you tell me which one you want to choose out of this one, out of 4 topic.
Sir, one.
One. Okay, so Jitish is chosen one topic. Saranya, which topic you want to choose out
3,
of
sir.
this? 3. Okay, this is the Saranya. Neelam, can you hear me? Hello? Hello? Neelam, can you hear me, please? Then if you are not able to hear me, then
Hello.
yeah. Yeah, can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
So which topic you want to choose out of this?
Second, sir.
Okay, so this is Neelam. Yeah, Neelam, so much background noise is coming. Please be in mute. Neelam, so much background noise is coming, please. Yeah, so yeah. So Jit is chosen first topic. We don't know in first topic what is there. Okay, so I have not taken randomly. So Neelam selected second topic, and Saranya selected third topic. Now, so Jit is uh, uh, formal mock interview will start from your side. So you have to tell your introduction, your work experience, okay, and highest qualification. Okay, so you know right how to give introduction, correct, when you go and attend interview, correct na Jitish?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, so that process you have to follow, please. So now one, so one, let me see in one what is there. So one, so topic one is, so for you one is equal to GL grouping. So questions will be asked from the GL grouping for you. Okay. Yeah, so Jitish, please start your introduction. Then question will start from our side. Yeah, Jitish, please go ahead.
Yeah. Okay. So, good morning, everyone. My name is Gitish Kumar Raut, and I have completed my higher education in MCOM in the year 2017 from Utkal University. So, coming to my work experience, so I have overall like 4 years and 10 months of experience, out of which in SAP FICO, I have around 3 years and 10 months of experience. So I have been involved in like two support project and one implementation project. So my roles and responsibilities in this project are like, in support project I used to handle various tickets regarding to issues like various L1, L2, L3 issues from customers. As well also I was involved in the like different work order request, like for any development changes or any configurational changes. So I used to handle them in the support project. And in the implementation, like I have been handling from like when I had joined. So I the roles and responsibilities were, I had joined from the realization phase. So there I used to I have done all the baseline configuration. Along with that, I am also involved in all extra different activities, like testing and all, and data migration. So these were the things I have been like activities I have been doing in the implementation project. That was about my introduction, sir.
Okay, yeah. Thank you, Jitish. So, first question from your topic is that why do you do GL grouping and maximum how many GL grouping can be done? Jitish?
Okay, so GL grouping is mainly, the main purpose of GL grouping is, sir, when we prepare our books, sir. So as all the, for example, like when we prepare our books, so we have to do all the journal entries, right, sir? So in that GL grouping, we maintain all our journals, like all the different types of, like we create the assets, liabilities, then expense, revenue, all are maintained in this GL grouping. So all the day-to-day JVs, whatever we post, we have to maintain through this GL grouping. And in GL grouping, we can assign the number ranges also.
No,
Uh,
no. Age of now, I have asked only this question. So, Jitish, I have below some other questions. So, what is asked? Can you answer that age of now, please? So,
yes, sir.
what is the GL grouping and maximum how many GL grouping can be done?
Sir, maximum it depends upon client requirement. Like
Mhm.
there is no fixed thing, like only like asset, liabilities and all can be done. So as per client requirement, we can do, sir. There is no like limit for that. Yeah.
Okay, I agree with you, but I do not agree with. I mean, I'm not sure about the GL grouping. I'm not convinced the way you tell about the GL grouping. So, can you please explain again why do you do the GL grouping?
Mm.
Or let me put in this way. So let's say you did the GL grouping and you are relating that with your financial statement. So as many age GL grouping you have done, same head of account will only be shown in the your financial statement, or in the financial statement it can be different also.
No, in the financial statement, sir, it can be different. Yeah.
Okay, so can you please help me now to understand why do you do the GL grouping?
Okay, sir, we create the like this GL grouping or account group because it like it controls the, like what you say, sir, like it. helps us to identify the nature of the GL, sir, like whether it is expense or revenue or assets or liabilities. So main purpose is to like it will identify the nature of the GL and help in the like reporting purpose, sir. That is the main thing.
Okay, no problem. Yeah, second question, can you assign same number range to more than one group?
Yes, sir. It can be assigned, but sir, but we will recommend not to do, sir. But as per standard SAP recommendation.
But we can assign, right? Let's
Yes,
say
yes.
in asset group, I assign 1 lakh to 1 lakh 99. For liabilities also, shall I assign 1 lakh to 1 lakh 999? Is it possible or not? That question, that is the question.
Yes, yes, sir. It's possible.
It's possible, right?
Yeah,
Okay,
yes,
good.
sir.
Which
And
segment, which segment of GL master fields are controlled from GL grouping field status group? You know,
sir,
right? While creating the GL
yeah,
master, there are chart of account segment and there is company code segment. So which segment of the GL master is controlled from GL grouping field status group?
yeah, sir. The GL, the account group, it controls the company code segment data field and not the chart of account. Under
Mhm.
the company code segment, there are two fields. One is the control field, and another is the create bank interest field.
Mhm.
So another one is also there says that keyword or translation. So these all tabs it controls. So
Okay, very
like,
nice. Yeah. Now, next question. I want to give number range in such a way that any number, any GL number, master data I can create. See, generally, for example, for asset, if you have given 1 lakh to 1 lakh 999, so if you are creating the asset GL master, you should give one within the 1 lakh to 1 lakh 99. Am I right? This
yes, sir.
statement is correct.
Yes,
But
sir.
I want my number range to be defined in such a way that anything I give, it should accept for that group. So how do I define it? Question you understood, Jitish?
Sir, can you repeat one second, please?
Okay, so let's say I define one asset GL grouping. Here I give a number range like 1 lakh to 1 lakh 99, right? Now,
Yes,
if
sir.
I'm creating any asset under this group, then I should make sure that number range I'm giving from this to this only. Am I right? If I give other than this, it will not accept. Accept. Am I correct?
Yeah, correct.
Now I want to define this range in such a way that anything I give it should accept. So how do I define? Question you got it, no? First question is clear or not?
Yes, sir. I got it. Yeah.
Huh. Now, how do I define? What should I give here and here? That anything while creating the asset GL should accept. Let's say I am creating building, so I give directly building rather than giving number here. In FS00 when I'm creating,
Yes, sir.
I want to give directly building here. Let's say I'm creating one GL. I want to give building here. Anything. Sometime I want to give building, it should accept. Sometime I want to give like this, it should accept. Sometime I want to give building dot 10, it should accept. Anything it should accept. So how do I assign my number ranges? That is the question.
Sir, you have to assign within that range, right, sir? From this 1 lakh to 1 lakh 999.
Hmm. That's what I'm telling. If you assign 1 lakh to 1 lakh 99, then only this will accept, right? Correct, na? Jitish?
Yeah. Yes,
It
sir.
will not accept, other than this, it will not accept, right? But I want other than this also should be accepted. Let's say, let me go here. Let me go to OBD4 and let me show you. See here in the OBD4, if I go, if I select my SMOP, let's say if I want to create one accumulated depreciation, then for accumulated depreciation, this is the range from this to this. Okay. I have to give from this to this one, right? Other than this, shall I create for this group? It will
No.
not accept, right?
Yes, sir.
But I want to give my number range is such a way that when I use this group, anything I give and it will accept during the GL creation. So is it possible? How will define here?
Sir, I'm sorry, I'm not aware
No
about
problem. No problem. No problem. No problem. We'll go next. No problem. So no problem. I have told you, but no problem. This. So this is done. This question done. This question you have not answered. So sorry, answer. This question you have not answered. Next question. Can you assign internal number range? You know what is internal and external number ranges?
Yes, sir. Yeah, yes, sir. So,
So, oh yeah. So can you assign internal number ranges?
sir, regarding this number ranges,
Yes, GL grouping number ranges.
no, sir. It's always like we can make internal, sir, like
Uh-huh.
for this, but GL account, it's always like external number range.
Okay. So this was just to confuse you. Okay. This question
Yeah.
was just to confuse you. There is no internal number range concept. Okay. In the GL grouping, it is external only. All the time while creating, you must give while creating the GL master. Is that clear? This point?
Yes, yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay. Now, what is the maximum number length?
It's 10 digits, sir. Either alpha, numeric or alphanumeric.
Exactly. Okay. Now, next question. How many grouping you have done for your project and why?
So we had done around, sir, like grouping in the sense like for each category we had done, sir, around 10 to 20 GL, sir. So
10 to
around
10, 10 to 20 grouping you are telling?
grouping in the sense like, sir, for like for assets it was there. So under
Mm-hmm.
asset we had various things like bank account. Then we had our various group.
Mm-hmm.
Like, sir, and under assets we like whatever all the like items are there, right, sir? So in the financial statement, when we prepare the financial statement, like all the
Mm-hmm.
assets things value and all the items regarding in your income expense, the P&L
Mm-hmm.
and balance sheet. So as per that we had done the grouping, sir.
Okay. 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 I got it. No problem. Okay. So this many questions were there for you, Jitish, from the GL grouping. Okay. And only one questions you have not answered. Okay. So that will be discussed after this interview is over. Okay, na, Jitish?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Thank you, Jitish. So
Thank you.
next, thank you, Jitish. Thank you so much. It was really nice. Next, Neelam. So Neelam is selected second. Where is second? Okay, second. So for Neelam, it is chart of account. Okay. So first question to Neelam is, Neelam, what is called chart of account? Or so what is the use of the chart of account, Neelam? Hello. Hello, Neelam, are you there?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So what is the use of chart of account, Neelam?
Uh, uh, it is a like we can say it's a folder for GL creation, and it is control that GL like which length we can create uh, GL.
Okay. Okay, no problem. Sorry. Second question, what are the types of chart of account, Neelam?
Sir, three chart of account is there. First is operating chart of account. Second is group chart of account. Third is country specific chart of account.
Is there any other name for the country specific chart of account?
Yeah, alternate chart of account.
Okay, thank you so much. Yeah. Next question. How to decide number of operational chart of account, alternative chart of account, and group chart of account? Let's say you're going for implementation. How do you decide that this many operational chart of account need to be created, this many group chart of account need to be created, this many alternative chart of account need to be created? On what basis? Can you give little idea how do you decide? Or let's say how you have implemented in your company, on what basis, how many chart of account you have created, Nilam?
Sir, one chart of account is compulsory. That is called operating chart of account. And one, if client requirement is there, if they have to prepare a report as a country level or legal requirement, so that we can create a country specific chart of account. And if they want, like they have so many company code, and they want consolidate a report end of the years, what we can say, uh, like quarterly, so that we can create a group chart of account.
Okay, so group I'll come little later. Alternative, you told that if they want some separate legal requirement, you told. So do you mean that operational chart of account will not meet the legal requirement?
It can be like, see, they have a 24 company code, and they have a different, that country, like US, UK, India, and
Mhm.
every country has following the different legal things. So for that we have to follow that, we have to create country specific chart.
Can you give one example? What is that called legal? What one legal requirement that triggers you to create the alternative chart of account?
We have to register every company code in government basis, or we can say in as a company law. So for that purpose they have to submit one financial statement to government also. So for that purpose we have to create country specific chart.
Okay, and for what purpose you create group chart of account?
Group chart of account, if like who is the owner, or we have to check, we are like this year we are in a loss or we are in a profit. So for that purpose we have to create a group chart of account, so like we can consolidate all the company code, and we will follow that financial statement to understand what is the profit and what is the loss.
Okay, okay, no problem. Next question, which chart of account is integrated with logistic and controlling module? So you said there are three chart of accounts. So which chart of account is integrated with other module? Let's logistic means your MMSD and controlling module.
Mm, operating chart of accounts, for
Okay.
or the
Ye-
models.
Yes, yes, that's correct. Yeah. Next question. If GL length is given in chart of account is 8, you know that when you create the chart of account, you enter the GL length. Am I right?
Yes, sir, right, sir.
Correct, right?
Yes,
And
sir.
when you do the GL grouping, there also you give the GL length. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So this is the scenario now. If GL length given in chart of account is 8 digit, but in the GL grouping it is given 7 digit only. Then if you create the GL master, then either it will show 7 digit or it will show 8 digit. How it will behave in the GL master creation time?
I think it should be follow chart of account level.
Are you sure?
Yes,
So
sir.
what you are telling here, let's say in the GL grouping, I have given 7 digit or here 6 digit is there. So shall I create 7 digit in the while creating? It will accept.
No, sir. It will not accept. This is
So,
also follow the operating chart of account number H.
so that's what I'm telling. Let me then quickly show you. In the chart of account, OB 29, sorry, OB 33, OB 13. Let's say I have created SMOP. Okay, in SMOP, I have given, let's say, 7 digit here. Okay, here 7 digit I'm giving, and here only 6 digit is there. So how in GL master now it will behave? Here it is 6 digit, but in the GL master it is 7 digit. Hmm?
Sir, account group also it will take 7 only.
But here I am able to give say 6 only, right?
Yes, sir. 6 below we can give. Below we can give, but we cannot exceed that number H.
So what you are trying, when I create the accumulated depreciation, even below this number also I can give?
Yes, sir. I think so. Not
Meaning, okay, no problem, no problem. So this is, let me note down whichever questions you are not able to answer. So I'll clarify after this. Okay. Next question, shall we assign one alternative GL to many operative GL? One alternative GL number to multiple operative GL number, shall we assign?
yes, sir. We can assign one alternative chart of account can be assigned to multiple operating chart of account, but one operating chart of account can be assigned for one alternative chart of account.
Okay, that is not my question. My question is, you create the GL master, right?
Yes, sir.
So you create country specific GL number, or let's say alternative GL number, right?
Hmm.
So one alternative GL number can be assigned to multiple operative GL number or not? That is the question.
Yes, sir. We can assign if yeah, if it is uh, if it is same legal requirement is there, so that we can assign that country specific chart.
You are not getting my question. You are going in chart of account assignment. That is also one good question, but I'm not asking that question. I'm asking GL master creation. So you know, right? In the GL master, when you create operative GL master, you assign the country specific GL number, right? Inside the
Yes, sir.
operative GL number. Am I right?
Yes, sir. Correct.
So my question is, let me show you quickly here only, then you'll probably understand. So let's say here 01. So see, this is my operative GL and this is my country specific GL. So my question is that, shall I assign this GL, like this is assigned to this operative GL? So shall I assign this same country specific GL to this GL or not?
Yes,
Inside this
sir.
GL,
We can assign. We can assign, sir.
we can assign, right? That
Yes.
that is the question. Okay. Now, but I don't want to allow that one. I want to control 1:1 only. So how do I control it? That is the next question. Let's say my business is telling that I should not allow one alternative GL to be assigned to multiple operative GL. Once I assign in the cash, it should be in cash only. I cannot assign to sales. I cannot assign to interest. So how to control this one? Now you got the question or not,
Yes,
Nilam?
sir. Yes,
You
sir.
got
Yes, sir.
you got it, not
Yes,
question?
sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
If it is the same company code, then we have to assign same alternate chart of account for all the GLs.
You are going to alternative chart account. I'm asking master level. I'm asking master level. See here, for this operative GL, this is the alternative GL, right? If I go here, for this GL, this is the alternative GL. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Correct? But let's say this, what is there? This alternative GL is given. This GL I don't want my system to allow to assign here also. One time I want to assign, that you told it is possible to assign. Yes, it is possible. What was alternative assigned to here, I can assign here also. But my requirement or business requirement is that not to allow what the alternative assigned here to in this GL. So how do I control this one? That is the question. You got the question? Yesterday
Yes.
only I taught you. Yesterday only I taught you this question. So how to control it? You got the now you got the question.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us see whether it is in allow position or not allow position. Let's say this is the alternative GL you have assigned in this one. Let me assign to this one. Okay, let me see here. Let me hit enter and let me try to save it. So here no change. Let me put in this one. Let me put this one. Let me try to save it here. See, it is throwing error as of now. So this is what I want. Alternative GL account, it is not allowing me to assign. Once this is already assigned to others, so in this it is not allowing. So how I did yesterday this one? You remember I did something yesterday, right? Unless it is not allowing me to assign same alternative GL to multiple operative GL. I want system to allow. So how will I how will I control it? You're getting what I'm asking? Now see, same alternative GL what I have assigned here, it is not allowing me to assign in this one. But I want system to allow me to assign. So what should I do? Okay, no problem. This is very important question. It is one of the very important business decision you have to talk about in during your requirement gathering. No problem. Come here. So next question. Since all the chart of account are created at OB13, how system recognize which is alternative chart of account, which is group chart of account, and which is operational chart of account? Nilam, can you hear me? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So Nilam, you know, right? All the chart of account are created in OB13 only, in same T code and same fashion they are created. Am I right? But
Yes, sir.
how system recognize or understand which chart of account is alternative, which is group, and which is country special? How system understand all this chart of account? Okay, see here, if you go in OB13, see in OB13, if you go slash in OB13, right? So you created SM. So this is what you have created: SMGP, SMIN, and SNOP. Just because of this code, definitely system is not telling, since it is SMGP, it is group, since it is SMIN, it is alternative, since it is SMOP, it is operational. It is not because of just code. So based on what system in understanding that my SMGP code is my group, this is my alternative, and this is my operational. Let's say you want to understand, you join some company in a support project and you want to know which GL is, which chart of account is operational chart of account, which chart of account is group chart of account, and which chart of account is a country specific chart of account, alternative chart of account. Then what you'll do? How do you understand? You let's leave about the system. How you will understand? How you'll analyze, Nilam? This is
Sir, basis of account group number range.
how account group number. Okay, so how you'll understand based on account group number range? Okay, let me go to account group number range. Let me go to account group number range OBD4. I will understand from here what hint you'll get here.
Sir, here we can we have given that number range.
Mm-hmm.
So that number range also, and that company code global, there we can also go and check what is the operating chart of account for this
Okay.
company.
OBY6, no problem. Wherever you will tell, I'll go there. SMIN. Okay. So where is the operational chart of account? Where is the alternative? Where is the group chart of account in this?
Chart of account is here, sir, in the
Uh-huh.
left side,
Okay.
and
So
alternate.
this is which chart of account? Group or operational or alternative? Which chart of account it
This
is?
is the operating chart of account,
Okay. Good. Then
and this is alternative chart of account, right side.
okay. Then group. Where can you see group? So when you created the group chart of account, you must have assigned somewhere, right? So creation doesn't matter. The where you have assigned based on that system will understand. Either I'm group, I'm operational, or I'm alternative.
Yes, sir. OB 63.
OB63, not 63, OB62. Let me
62,
go
sir.
to.
Sorry, sir. OB
So
62.
once you assign an OB62, it comes here. Okay. So that was I was going to ask how this comes here, but no problem. OB62. So do you think that here you assign group chart of account? Let me show you. What you assigned here?
Operating chart of account, and that alternate chart of account.
Then where we assign group chart of account?
Group chart of account OB 13 only we can assign.
Exactly. So inside the operational, we enter the group chart of account. Okay. Clear?
Yes.
So the way you create doesn't matter. The way you assign, system understand either I'm operating or I'm group or I am country specific chart of account. Is that clear? So when you also join any company, you come in OB13, you check here, whatever is assigned here is operational, whatever assigned is their alternative. Go OB13, open this chart of account. Inside there, if you are finding any chart of account, that is your group chart of account. Is that clear?
Yes,
So
sir.
same way system also understand. Okay. Now let us go to next question. How operational alternative and group chart of account are created? Hello, Nilam.
Means I am not able to understand.
Operational alternative and group chart of account, how they are created? Sorry, GL account I'm asking. Sorry, here GL account, not account. So how do we create operational GL number? How you create the alternative GL number, and how you create the group GL number? You created, right? You created group GL
Yes.
number also. You
Yes.
created
Yes, sir.
so how you create, which T code you use?
Operating chart, operating chart of account FS double zero, and for alternative and group chart of account FSPO.
Okay, FSP0. Okay,
Yeah,
not
P0.
PO, FSP0.
P0.
Okay, good. Okay, now next question. Can you assign one chart of account to many company codes?
Yes, we can. We can assign.
Okay, okay. When I see here, I didn't ask either. I'm asking about operational, alternative, or group. I just asked chart of account. So when I
Uh,
ask the chart of account, which chart of account triggers in your mind generally?
Operating chart of account, sir.
Exactly. So that you should. Okay. Now let me ask the next question. Can you assign same alternative chart of account to multiple company codes across? Is it possible?
Alternative, its legal requirement is same, like number range. Then we can assign.
Assign,
Okay.
right?
Yes.
So let's say in India, I have three company code and I created one alternative chart of account. Can I assign for all three Indian company codes? Same
Yes.
alternative chart of account?
Yes. Yes, sir. We can assign.
And let's say, shall I also assign for US company course? Same alternative chart of account which I created for India.
No, sir.
Why?
If US is following different legal requirement, then we have to create a different alternative chart of account.
Okay, this is the question, or this is the answer in every interview. Every candidate says, but during my training, I told that what are those legal requirements that I want to understand. What is that? When you talk about legal or country specific requirement, you have to give one two example. Then you have
Sir,
to clarify, okay, this may be the requirement in India and this may be requirement in the US. Since these are two different requirements, same alternative chart of account will not meet this requirement, therefore I have to create one separate alternative chart of account for US purpose. That one example I want. I just don't
oh,
want that one word, that country specific requirement or legal requirement. You're
that we
getting, no?
have. Yes, sir. We are following two or three types of uh, accounting rule. One is
Uh-huh.
local GAAP and one US, and one is IFRS.
Okay, okay, that is different thing again. No problem. So this question also you have not answered. Okay, no problem. We'll see this one. Now next question, Nilam. Which chart of account is mandatory to create in SAP?
Operating operating chart of account is
Okay,
mandatory.
good. Can you assign alternative already? Okay, this is very good question. So can I assign, let's say here in FS double zero. So requirement is that, Nilam, earlier alternative chart of account was not implemented. Okay. Let's say business was already live, they're already running their business. Earlier they have not implemented chart alternative chart of account. Later business told that I want alternative chart of account now. Okay, now what happened in this, you have so many already, posting is already done, posting is already done because your business is live, company code is live from last 2 years. Already you have balance in this one. Later you created alternative chart of account and you want to assign here the alternative GL number. It will allow you to assign, Nilam?
No, sir. If posting is happen, it will not
Uh,
allow.
exactly. Very nice. Then how to handle this scenario then? Because they want you to enter now going forward alternative GL number here, but since you have already posting in this one, it will not allow. I agree with you, but how to handle it now?
Again, I have to create a GL number, account account group.
So for operational you create all together again. Okay, no problem. So that is, there is a one way. Even SAP has also given one note how to follow and do it. I'll talk about, I have already talked during the chart of account time creation, but if I have forgotten, no problem, I will talk again. Okay, this question, because this you'll get in the real time also, many time requirement. Okay, now, okay, so these were your question, Nilam. Okay, thank you, Nilam. It was really nice. It was really nice because questions were little tough only, little analytical, but yeah, it was really nice. Thank you, Nilam. Thank you so much. Please be in mute now.
Yes.
Then Saranya question is 3. So let me check where is 3. Okay, 3. Saranya, your topic is return earning account. Hi, Saranya.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so your topic is return earning account, Saranya. So we'll see about your introduction little. We are getting little late. So let
Yeah,
us see. Let us see this question. Why do we need return earning account in SAP, Saranya?
yeah. So retained earning account enables us to transfer all the profit and loss account, which is surplus or deficient in the year end.
Okay, okay, good. Now, why do we need to create more than one return earning account?
So for different chart of accounts, we create different retained earning.
Okay, that is very nice. But in one chart of account only, why do I create two return earning account or three return earning account inside one chart of account itself? That is good answer. That is the good answer. But here in one chart of account only, why do I create more than one return earning account?
Uh, because for different accounts groups like liabilities and assets.
So do you think that return earning account is applicable for balance sheet GLs also?
Mm, yes, sir. Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
But you are telling
No,
that in
yeah, it is.
first
Yeah,
question you
yes.
told that, yeah.
Sorry, it is only for profit and loss account, not for balance sheet
Okay.
items.
Then why do I need to create more than one return earning account?
Uh, not sure, sir.
Okay, no problem. Okay. Next question, how to move return earning balances? Let's say you said that from one fiscal year to or during the year end you have to move the balances,
Mm.
whatever, no
But,
profit and
yeah.
loss from to next
So
year.
we
So
use
how
the
do you move? Yeah.
we use the T code FAGL GBTR to
Okay.
carry forward the balances.
Okay. Okay. Good. How to know return earning balance is already run? I mean, how do you get to know that FAGL GBTRT code already run for this year? Then you will not rerun again and again. Let's say you join any project all of a sudden, and you want to know either no year end activities is already done or not. FAGL GBT are already run or not run. So how do you get to know?
Not sure. So not sure, sir.
Okay, no problem. I have given you some table, so you have to check in that table. You can check.
Yeah,
Okay.
I am not remembering the table name.
No problem. No problem. Fury app is also there. You can check in the Fury app also, but no
Okay.
problem. So does balance carry forward happen to simulation ledger? Okay, I think I have told only in theory, but I have not shown in theory, sorry, simulation ledger. So I'm skipping this question for you. Next question. At what level return earning GLs are mapped in OB 53?
Chart of
So,
account level.
exactly. Very nice. Yeah. Next question. Can you create GL master and post accounting entry without creating the return earning GL master? Let's say I have
Mm.
not created a return earning GL.
Mm.
Okay, what is mapped in OB53?
Okay.
So shall I create other GL, or is it mandatory to create return earning GL first, then create other GL and do posting? What do you think? What do you think?
So before creating the return ending GLs, can we post the entries into the other GLs or not? This is the question, right, sir?
Let me put the that is also one question. Let's say here I have created the return earning right here,
Yeah.
correct na? This
Yes.
return earning GL I have mapped in OB53. Without
Yeah.
creating this GL, shall I create other GL and do posting in this? This is the question.
No, I'm not getting properly.
Let's
So
say without creating this GL, I have not, for example, this GL I have not created, return
okay.
earning GL I have not created. Shall I
Okay.
create other this GL or not? That is the question.
Yes, sir. You can create it.
You can create, right? So if I create a, shall I do also posting also?
Yes, sir. You can post it because
Uh,
return earnings account is just used to transfer the profit and loss account at the year end. It is
Exactly. So it
not.
required during the year in time. So when you run FAGL GBTR, if this GL is not created, that time it will throw error. It will tell the return and account GL is missing because system will not get to know PNL balance carry forward to which GL. That time it will
Yeah.
check this GL. Okay. To twist little bit to my question, if I have not done OB53 setting itself, okay, let's
Mm,
say in OB53 I have not done the setting itself,
mm.
then it will allow me to create the GL master. Any kind of, let's say this setting only I have not done. So do you think that any other GL will be allowed to create?
No, sir.
It will not allow, right? So
Yeah.
thank you. Good. That is good. Okay. Now is written any account applicable for balance sheet GL also?
No, sir.
No, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So this many questions were there for you.
Okay.
Okay. So which you are not able to answer?
I was not able to answer.
I didn't notice. Okay, more than one written and account.
More than one. Yeah, this one, sir.
Okay. Okay, so I can see you people have practiced really well. I'm really happy. But one thing what I notice, whenever there is little no analytical question, there only you people have missed the point when I've trained. Okay, so that because I have already told why do you need more than one written an account. Even for Neelam also that once GL master is already created. This question, I mean, where is that one? Once balances is already exist, then how to do this process, that I have already explained. And for one question for this Jitish, I want to do random GL. So all these questions I have already explained, but no problem. If people are really good, you have really practiced well. I am very happy. Okay, it's really good. So please keep on practicing and try to read all my points whenever I'm training. You listen, each and every points are important because each and every point I have collected from my project, and based on my experience I'm asking. So please remember each and every point. But very nice, you people have prepared very well. So thank you so much. Let me